In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seasonality indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to manage the indicator on your chart, so you can start using seasonal patterns in your trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or ticker you're interested in. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the platform for the Indicators option. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts live, and it's the starting point for adding anything new to your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do, a panel will pop up. In that panel, you'll see different categories like built-ins, community scripts, and more. Here, you want to click on the section labeled Technical. This helps narrow things down to tools that are focused on analysis and market behavior, which is exactly what we need for seasonality. Inside the technical section, you'll notice a search bar, usually at the top of the window. Click into that search field so you can start typing. This search will filter through all the available indicators and make it much faster to find what you're looking for, rather than scrolling through a long list. Now, type the word seasonality into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will show matching indicators related to seasonality. You should see one or more choices that include the term seasonality in the name. Once you spot the seasonality indicator you'd like to use, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel or overlay, depending on how the script is designed. After the indicator is added, you might want to customize it. To do that, move your mouse over the indicator's name in the chart legend and click on the settings icon. This opens up the settings window where you can adjust things like colors, time ranges, or any other options the script allows. Take a moment to tweak these so the display is clear and easy for you to read. If you decide you don't want the seasonality indicator on your chart anymore, you can remove it just as easily. Open the settings menu again for that indicator, and this time choose the remove option. The indicator will disappear from your chart, and you can always add it back later by repeating the same steps. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features and indicators, be sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be ready to explore seasonality and all the other tools available inside TradingView Pro.